sa pangkat case. John Lester A. Abad, may karangalan, NC2 Passer, Computer System Servicing. JMB Akayang, may karangalan, Computer System Servicing, NC2 Passer. Wency F. Acoedo, may karangalan, Computer System Servicing, NC2 Passer. Andrea Claire J. Albano, may karangalan, Computer System Servicing, NC2 Passer. Ken Dustin L. Arizobal, may karangalan, Hans Nathaniel D.C. Arma, may mataas na karangalan, Computer System Servicing, NC2 Passer. Angelina L. Arobo, may karangalan. Argel F. Balauro, Joshua R. Bautista, may karangalan, Computer System Servicing, NC2 Passer. Lester P. Bautista,